Welcome to all of you. Today I am going to explain first chapter of Maths Magic Book and the name of the chapter is Where to Look From. Let's start the chapter. Our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day when we showed our pictures to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj's drawing of a car. So this is the car drawn by Dheeraj. अंशुल said it looks like a small box kept in a bigger one. अंशुल ने कहा ये ऐसा लग रहा है मानो स्मॉल बॉक्स बड़े बॉक्स के अंदर रखा हुआ हो. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Then this one is the car drawn by Anshul. He showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Both of them drew the picture of the same car but the drawings look different. दोनों ने सेम कार का पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया but the drawings look different. So Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from the terrace. Terrace means roof, chhat. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, because this is the top view of the car. Moving to the next question. Have you looked at things from different sides? Yes. Next question. Do they look the same or different? So we all know the different objects look different from different views. Okay. Next question, look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look like from the side? So if we look from the side, the legs of the table will be visible. So from the side, the table look like this. Next question, which picture is from the top? So you all can see here, this is the top view of the table. So from the top, the table look like this. Moving to the next question, some pictures are drawn below. Imagine how these things will look if seen from the top. So this is the side view of these things. Okay, will they look like this? Yes, because this is the top view of these things. Okay. So here we have some cars views. This is the front view of the car. This one is the top view of the car. And you can see this view is very sharp. So we will say this is the side view of the car. Moving to the next part. So your question is, look at the pictures drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? So we have already discussed this question. From the side the table look like this, and from the top the table look like this. Next question. A cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? So you have to help this cat. So you can see here the teacher is standing. So the teacher is standing at the front of the students in the class. Now moving to the next question. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. So this is the side view of the staircase. So we have to look from the side. This is the front view of the staircase. This is the top view of the staircase, and this one is the side view. And when you will look from the top, it will look like this. So this is the top view of the pencil, and this one is the side view. So here you can see the answers. Now draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. So from the top view, we can say that the first image is of the car and the second image is of a tree. Moving to the next question, copy these shapes on the dot grid. Note that some lines in the shapes are straight and some are not. So you can see this is the straight line, this one is your curved line. So you have to draw these designs in your book. Next question, use the dot grid given below to draw your own designs and shapes. So here you have to draw your own designs. Here I have drawn some designs. This is just for your reference. You have to draw your own designs. Next question, complete these figures to make squares and rectangles. So we all know in rectangle and squares we have four sides. We have already done flat shape activity. So square and rectangles are flat shapes, or you can also say these are 2D shapes. Okay. So opposite sides of rectangles are equal and all sides of squares are equal. Children, note that here you will not join these two dots, because if you will join these two dots it will become a triangle, and triangle has three sides. Okay, so here you have to draw squares and rectangles, and after drawing a square and rectangle you will get this design. On the dot grid given below, draw the following: a kite, a leaf, a flower, a boat, a star, and a pot. So you have to draw these things here. Okay, you do it yourself. Now moving to the next question. The painter had made many such pictures in which he drew only one half of the things. Draw the other half of these pictures and find out what these things are. Try doing it with the mirror. So here you can see only one half is drawn. You have to draw other half with the help of a mirror. So you have to help this painter. So after drawing other half, you will get butterfly, star. In this way you have to draw the other half of these pictures. Okay. Now, can we repeat the painter's trick while drawing pictures of the following? So, क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि क्या पेंटर्स ट्रिक अप्लाई कर सकते हो, रिपीट कर सकते हो while drawing pictures of the following. इनका पिक्चर ड्राइंग करने में मीन्स कि इसका एक हाफ आपने ड्रॉ किया हो और अदर हाफ फिर ड्रॉ करो. तो इज़ इट पॉसिबल? आई थिंक इट वुड नॉट बी पॉसिबल. I am not thinking, I am confirmed, because here you can see this caterpillar has the face. This caterpillar it into two similar halves. Okay, so here also you cannot divide this cup into two similar halves. Okay, now moving to the next part. If you ask the painter to draw things which cannot be divided into two similar mirror halves, then he cannot play the trick. Draw three more such things which do not have similar mirror halves. So here we have the answer. No, the painter's trick cannot be repeated while drawing the given pictures. The following things do not have similar mirror halves. So we cannot draw we cannot divide these things into similar mirror halves. Okay. So this is the letter Z. You cannot divide it into two similar mirror halves. So look at the pictures given below. Does the dotted line divide each picture into two similar mirror halves? So here, yes, this is the line of symmetry. You can divide this picture into two similar mirror halves. Here in this case also yes. Here no, because you cannot divide this triangle into similar mirror halves. Here again no, yes, no, yes, yes. You have vertical line of symmetry here. Here you have horizontal line of symmetry. Here no answer, no, yes, vertical line of symmetry, yes, yes. We can divide it into similar mirror halves. This also. Here we cannot divide. This also we cannot divide. We all know rectangle has two line of symmetry which are from its length and breadth. Okay, and these two lines cut the length in two similar halves. Okay, but here you can see this is the diagonal line, so this diagonal line cannot divide this rectangle into similar mirror halves. Okay, now here you have the examples. This one is the example and you have answers over here. Okay, now no, the dotted lines does not divide each picture into two similar mirror halves. And here in the question it is given that you have to give some more examples. So here I have drawn some more alphabets, and these lines are line of symmetry, and it can, this letter A we can divide into two similar mirror halves, and M also, U also. Moving to the next question. Using a dotted line, can you divide the following pictures into two similar halves? So here, yes, we can draw it into two similar mirror halves. You can see in the answer. This one also we can draw, we can divide it into two similar mirror halves. This one also, this one also, this one also. We cannot divide it. We can divide it. We cannot divide it. We can divide this into two similar halves, and this also. Children, note that if you will take these things shape, then you will be able to divide floppy and clock, this one, floppy and clock, into two similar halves. But if you will take picture, then you would not be able to divide it into two similar halves. So here we are taking pictures, so we are unable to divide it into two similar halves. Okay, and here you can divide this also, and this also. Okay, now moving to the next part. Can you guess these letters from their halves? Yes, this is letter A. It has vertical line of symmetry. This is having horizontal line of symmetry. Letter C, letter H, letter U, letter B, and this is letter X. Okay, this is letter X. Now using such letters we can also make words which have similar halves. Here you have guess the words by looking at their halves. So HOW, how, WAX, wax, and this is your cooked dice. Okay, DICE, cooked dice. With this we come to an end, and this is the activity, mask making activity. You have already done this activity, and I hope this chapter is clear to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day.